In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign an agreement in Pandadoc. Let's walk through the process step by step so you know exactly what to expect from the moment you receive the document to the moment everything is finalized. First, go to your email inbox and look for the message sent via Pandadoc. Inside that email, you'll see a button labeled Open Document. Click that button. This will open the agreement directly in your browser using the latest Pandadoc interface. You don't need to download anything or install extra software. Everything happens online. Once the document is open, take a moment to quickly scan through it if you haven't already. When you're ready to start the signing process, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Start button. This is a very helpful shortcut. Instead of searching through the entire agreement for the fields you need to complete, Pandadoc will automatically jump you to the first place that requires your attention. When you're taken to that first field, you'll see a signature area, usually outlined in red or clearly highlighted. Click directly inside that signature field. As soon as you do, a pop-up window will appear, giving you a few options for how you want to create your signature. You can choose to type your name and have Pandadoc generate a stylized signature for you. This is quick and works well if you're on a device without a touchscreen. If you prefer something more personal and you're on a mouse, trackpad, or touchscreen, you can select the option to draw your signature by hand. Finally, if you already have a signature image saved, you can choose the upload option and select that file from your computer or device. After you've chosen the method you like and you're happy with how your signature looks, click the Accept and Sign button in the pop-up. Pandadoc will place that signature into the field and apply it to the document. Before you finish, you may want to scroll through the agreement one last time to confirm everything looks correct. When you're done reviewing, look for the Finish button, which you'll usually find at the top or bottom of the page. Click Finish to complete the process. This final step not only locks in your signature, but also notifies the sender that you've signed the document. And that's all you need to do to sign an agreement in Pandadoc using the latest interface.